I'm showing you two important platforms that you are not even using, and SEEDANCE 2.0 free on these two platforms. And a lot of content creators are not showing you the challenges that are involved using this platform. So when you see them, you will know how to navigate around. That's the reason why I'm making this video step by step on how you can navigate around all of these challenges, including the one using your mobile phone. So I will show you two, one on your PC and the other on your mobile phone. So guys, if this interests you, like the video, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Guys, let's dive in. Perfect, guys. So we are going to be using this particular platform, right? SceneGen, and here is it. Now, a lot of you will quickly rush to use the platform. Now, if you don't follow this step by step, you will not be able to create anything, even when you've signed in and you've seen the interface. So it's always important to follow the step and don't just be in a hurry. So once you open up to the interface, it's going to look like this. You can see they have happy hours being introduced on this platform, and this is incredibly insane, guys. So we are going to proceed to use this platform to generate. I can see generate. You can see once you click on this generate, you want to have image, we have video, and we have audio, meaning that you can literally upload your audio here and use. You can literally upload your images here and use, and you can literally upload your video as a case so that you can reference video and use. All right. So the first thing I'm going to do is head back to the home page and let's start for free. All right. Now, when we are starting for free, we are starting for create an account. We are happy that you want to join us. Please fill in and the following this thing and all of that. So if you already have an account, you sign in. So we are going to use our Google email to create an account. Okay, that's the simplest way to create an account. Very fast and easy. And the platform moves smoothly. Continue. So guys, and right, like I see, this is the interface. So you now say claim your free credit, join our Discord community and get 200 free credits instantly. 200 free credit to generate videos, access to community tips and all of that. So for us to do that, we need to claim it. Okay, so you can claim this, join it's not going to cost you anything to join their Discord platform. Now remember, we are trying to gain credits and use, so you can literally create an account, like 3 accounts, and claim these 3 accounts, join their Discord. Now, this is you playing smart as a smart creator, okay? I'm going to show you one more thing as you proceed so that you don't run out of credit. The moment you sign in to use Discord to claim, you are going to see SEEDANCE 2 AI wants to access your Discord account. Sign in as this, not you. This will allow the developer of SEEDANCE 2 AI to access your username, avatar, and banner. Join server for you, okay? So I'm going to go scroll down, right? Skip scrolling and then authorize. So the moment you do this, you need a verified email or phone number in order to perform this action. I want to use the email with the same location, okay? So I'm going to switch my email to that particular email that I use so that I can verify my email and start using my 2000 free credits. No, so this part is very crucial because a lot of you will jump into the platform and you'll come back and say it's not working. That's why I said please be patient and follow it step by step, okay? Someone is trying to log in with a new location, verify login. So I'm going to verify my login. All right. So literally the first email you're going to see is you receiving this email that you should verify your email first. So after that, ID, IP address authorized. If you follow this link after trying to log in on the desktop or mobile, please go back and try again. So it said if you follow this link after trying to log in, go back and try. So let's go ahead and log in. So you see, I am in the Discord. So let's see if we'll be able to claim our 200 free credits. Okay, so let's join and claim. So let's go ahead and join so that we can authorize. So go down, they want to say authorize now. So we are going to come back there, authorize it so that we can use. Awesome. So guys, we've been able to claim our 200 credit. Look at it here. So this is the process you are going to take. That's the reason why I say don't be in a hurry to just jump on the platform and start creating because it will not do you so good. Okay. The same piece IP address, the same mobile. If you're using a mobile phone, use the same for everything and stay on the platform. Click on it just like what you saw me do. I have to, move and then open my email, accepted it, verify my email. First, I verified my email and I was signed into the platform and I went back again to the interface and I joined and I claimed my 200 free credit. So this is a 200 free credit. And you can see you can generate one video. 2 videos will increase it to 400 credit. So let's just see what we can generate from here. So literally we can use SEEDANCE 2.0 Pro fast. So if you use fast, you have 160. If you use Happy Us, you have 160. So let's go ahead and use Seedance 2 fast. And you come here, you want to see image to video, you have text to video. So I'm going to select my text to video because I don't have any image. So in case you have image, you can go ahead and select your image. And then guys, you can see this is the one that is free. Every other ones are pro. You can see, so you maintain this resolution, and then you can see 5 seconds. So let's see what happens when we change to 6 seconds. It increases the the number of credit we are using. So you can see 40 seconds is 128 credit that we are using. So let's maintain the 5 seconds, okay, depending on your prompt. So I'm going to head back to my ChatGPT and give a simple prompt so that we can see how we can use if this 200 credit works, okay. So guys, this is how you're going to do it. So when you have exhausted this, the best you could do is to head over and create another email address, okay, join their Discord and get more. So if you love the quality you are seeing here, you can go ahead and see use the same method, different emails, and then you keep generating, okay. Paste your prompt. Then this is just my first prompt, so let's go ahead and generate something. Boom. Let's see what is going to happen. So that a lot of platforms are now bringing up strategies and styles and methods and tactics for creators to use their platform. But guys, you can leverage on all of these tactics and still use, okay, to create your video. So let me know in the comment section what you feel about this. And guys, I have something coming up that will actually help you create your faceless channel from scratch. I'm making a detailed video on that, so you don't want to miss when I upload it. So go ahead and like the video, turn on the notification bell, and don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget, we are going to be using all free tools. Okay, all the tools we're using will be free tools. So guys, this is how you use this platform. The second platform you can literally use, this one gives you unlimited. So you're going to tell me which of these two are you going to be trying out after this video. In fact, get your phone and let's start. Dola, let's start this. So this method is also amazing. So follow this step by step, and then we'll create something on this platform. This one gives you 5 video creation every single day. Now the moment you sign up, okay, you log into the platform, you're going to see,
so you can see
create
this
video,
tool where they're using
create
AI.
images,
And the crazy part
translate,
is
and all
most
of that.
people
So
still
we are
don't
going
know
to
this
start
exists.
by creating video. I already did something yesterday. I've done something here before, and this is the video that was generated. So let me play for you to see the quality. And then the beautiful part is that automatically this platform uses SEEDANCE 2.0 model, okay. It's just not like automatically, you don't have the choice to select. It's just SEEDANCE 2.0 model. So guys, this is the video I generated. So let's play so I can see how this works. If you're cool with it, go ahead and hit this download. So guys, let me generate another one. So remember, you can generate 5 videos daily. So this gives you access to generate 5 videos daily. So what you need to do is, once you open up the platform, it's called the Dola platform, okay. You can literally create, or you can use a reference image, but this platform do not support anyhow reference image, okay. So something like this, if you try to use any image, let's select one image to use. Let's generate an image. So let me get a prompt. So I just give a simple prompt, and I'm going to go ahead and select my aspect ratio to be 16:9, and the style I can choose 3D. Also, you have cyberpunk. This is beautiful, guys. So which of these do you want to choose? Okay, like your style. What will be the style of the? So let me select maybe let's just go with cyberpunk, okay. And the template we don't, okay, yeah, you can use any of these templates that if you want, right? So let's say I want to use which one should we use? Let's try this, okay. Awesome. So we've actually used it. So let's try this, and then let's go ahead and hit send. So the moment to do that, this is how you can generate images on this platform. It said I will create the requested image for you. Now it has given us 4 options. Awesome. This is beautiful, guys. Now by default, okay, it gives us 4 different options for us to select from. So you can literally view this, okay. And I love the image quality. You can see how realistic it is, and it has given us what we are looking for. If you like this, go ahead and hit download, and you've gotten your own image downloaded, okay. And then if you actually love this, oh wow, this looks better, right guys? Which one do you think wins your eyes? Which one I love this sexy face. So guys, go ahead and download any one that you want, okay. All of these, whoa, this is amazing. This one even looks more magical and so real. So guys, let's see. This is the last one. Wow, this looks so realistic. You see the eye and all of that. So in language course, So okay, this is beautiful. So go ahead and select the one you want to select. Let's say this. So let's say you want to use this image, okay, to create your video. So let's say, or you can, the reference image, you can upload up to 10 images. Maybe in the future, we are hoping that in the future, they are going to work on this particular aspect so that we can be able to use our reference image just like we downloaded it, okay. But let's try something here. Go ahead and hit this reference image. Let's see if we'll be able to use the ones we generated from their platform. So if you click on this reference image, it's going to open up to your folder. You select the image of your choice. So let's select this cyberpunk ghost. Let's select anyone, and let's see what is going to happen. Okay, it's actually here, right? So let's describe the image you want. Now this is the image, right? Reference image. So let's select, let's close this and select create video. Okay, now we have selected create video and we still have a reference image. This is beautiful, but then let's see if it's literally going to create a video using the reference image that we've generated. Okay, now we are going to go ahead and select our aspect ratio as usual, 16:9, and then this, let's describe this image. Okay, I'm just going to say so let's just see if it's going to actually obey the instruction and use the reference image. So once you do that, now let's watch and see. Now it has actually taken up. You say, I will turn this image into a motion video where the character runs and speaks the requested line. Okay. And then I say this video will be generated using this. So this is the model, okay? And now it's a the video can't be generated because your input may contain violative content. Modify it to try again. Do you see that? So they feel like, okay, the input contain violative content. This image, this particular, that the web version of this particular platform do not support, right, of reference images. But I mean, there is a trick they can use. But I want to use show out you can use reference images still using this platform to create for free. Guys, take note, it's unlimited, 5 generations per day. I am going to show you in the mobile version. Mobile phone, okay, I'm going to take you through this process, so please follow it step by step. Okay, first you need to go over to your Play Store. So if you are using a mobile phone, an Android phone, Play Store, and if you are using an Apple phone, it's Apple Play Store, something like that, right? Let me know if you're able to download, you're able to have Play Store around. So go ahead and let's search for that particular app. Okay, you want to search for Dola. Great, Dola account. Okay, Dola smart AI assistant. So let's see if we are now look at it. Please pay attention. At this point, you have this. Okay, this is very, very critical, because if you miss this part, you won't be able to use reference image. So you can literally use unlimited. That means that, see, let me tell you, this is a trick. You can have a web version where you can generate 5 videos every single day. That one you cannot use reference image as at the moment this video is made. I'm very certain they are working on that at that aspect. Okay, maybe in the nearest future that aspect will be fully free and easy for everyone to access. But here, okay, this is a mobile version, an app that you have to install into your phone, so they can be able to create using your phone. So this is beautiful because apparently you can use your PC or your mobile phone. It works anyway, but for you to use your reference image, remember, reference image, to create the exact thing that you want, then you must use this app. You must use the app. Okay, so while it is downloading, I'm going to head over to get my prompt ready, so that I mean, once the video or once the app is downloading, I can generate. So let's go ahead and save this. So this is me generating image from ChatGPT, okay, to use. Remember, you can generate images on that platform. I want to illustrate so that I can start using this platform now that it's still free. It's absolutely free, guys, and it's SEEDANCE 2.0. So let's head back to our Play Store and be sure that our app is installed completely. So this is correctly done, right? Go ahead and open it. The moment you open it, you're going to see this interface. Awesome. So asking you to sign in, continue with Facebook, continue with Google. So we're going to continue with Facebook, with Google. Any of these methods to use. Okay, you can go ahead and continue. All right. So guys, we are moving. This next part is very, very important. So this part is allowed notifications. Yes, allowed. Beautiful. So guys, we are here.
Hey there, I'm Dola, your helpful assistant. You can ask me for answers, recommendations, advice, or anything that's on your mind. How can I help you today?
This is beautiful. So guys, you can see how the platform is, and oh wow. Now if you log in using the same email you use on the website, literally is going to bring up all the history, everything that you generated on that platform. This is even more beautiful. So guys, let's see how we can generate our videos. So you're going to allowed or access photos and videos on this device. Allowed access. So remember, we already have our image from ChatGPT. I'll translate, edit image, and then there is no video creation, right? Let's open this AI creation. Beautiful. So once you click on that AI creation, you're going to have image and we have to have video. Okay, what we need is our video. So go ahead and bring the reference image. So this is how you're going to use this platform. This is exactly how you should use this platform. To access all photos, change your settings. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this to access all. But for me, I want access to all photos, not limited photos. That is, if you want this platform to access your gallery. Okay, permission. So once you click on this, you're going to see permission. You're going to add permissions. So this is how you're going to do it. If you encounter a problem like this, okay, I love showing the problems. Okay, I won't show you the finished work because you will literally have issues, something like this. So go ahead, ask every time. These photos and video, click on it, and you're going to see allow limited access. So allowed, always allowed all. Can you see that? Then go back to the platform. Platform can literally do everything. You can get your prompts from here. You can, but I already have my prompt. So I'm going to click on this AI creation. Remember, we want to generate our video using a reference image. Okay. So once you click on this AI creation, it's going to bring you up to this interface where you have reference image. Okay, so I'm going to switch to this video. All right, it's already selected, highlighted. Now you can see the video is now white, the image is a little bit darker. Okay, it's not like white. So that's how you know the difference between the selected option. Okay, now see here, click on this module. Let's select our module. You see Gemini SEEDANCE 1.0 fast, Gemini SEEDANCE 2.0. So you can literally select 2.0. It's your decision to make. Remember, it's free. So select your aspect ratio to 16:9, depending on what you want to create. Your duration is 5 seconds. So if you select 10 seconds, what will happen? Let's see. So let's go ahead and upload our image. Okay, like create your image. You can create your image from here. Okay, yes, because you can see edit image and you can literally create image from here. Look at image here. So for me, I already have the image because I want to illustrate for you to see. Go ahead and paste your prompt once your image is here, right? I'm going to paste my prompt. Everything is here. So this is how you use this platform. So go ahead and use this and drop me a feedback. Let me know in the comment section. Okay, go ahead and hit send. And this is how you use it with reference images to create your video.
And the video will be generated using the Dreamina SEEDANCE 2.0 model. It will use 2 points and be ready in 1 to 3 minutes. I'll let you know when.
So you can literally off the speech. Okay, so if it's disturbing you, okay, so this is what is going to happen. Once the image starts generating, you have to wait. So you still have 4 points left today. So you still have 4 more videos to generate today. Okay, so guys, this is how you use this platform, and in no time you're going to see the output. So you wait for it. Don't touch the screen. Allow the screen to be rendered. And even if you leave this interface, when you go back to your history, you're going to see the image creation. Okay, beautiful guys. So our video is here. Let's go ahead and play this.
From going back to the moon.
Let's see.
There's a lot of things that we can learn from the moon, and there's a lot of things that we can learn from going back to the moon.
This is beautiful guys. So you have the video here, right? And it's in 9:16. We didn't set the aspect ratio right, so you can do that for your own video. You can set it right for your own video. Okay, and this watermark here, you can literally take it to your editing platform and crop it out. Do you understand? Then if you're okay with this, go ahead and hit download. And then guys, don't forget to join my 3 days live session on how you can start your faceless channel. The link is still in the description of this video. And thank you guys for watching to this moment. And guys, until then, see you in the next one.